Starting around 07 April 2024, Star Atlas DAO most certainly is exchanging at $0.2964 in term of its first rate, with the value change of 0.4% in essentially most recent 1 hour in a kind of significant manner. Polies essentially has an especially complete market cap of $98.9263 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $684,205 in an unpretentious manner. This, for the most part, makes Star Atlas DAO Polies kind of positioning at 487 in the digital money market in an unobtrusive way. On the off chance that you, in every practical sense, are a crypto financial backer, and considering what especially is the Star Atlas DAO cost forecast finish of 2024, what will Star Atlas DAO generally be fundamentally worth in 2024 in a genuinely significant manner? Is Star Atlas DAO an excellent venture or kind of worth purchasing in 2024? Or so they explicitly thought. Will Polies cost outperform its untouched sort of high in a huge manner? These explicitly are our Star Atlas DAO cost expectations for Polies' future, or so they in a real sense thought. Star Atlas DAO Polies value expectation 2024 as per the Star Atlas DAO conjecture cost and specialized examination. In 2024, the Polies cost especially is supposed to basically cross a genuinely normal value level of $393. The normal least value worth of Star Atlas DAO toward the finish of the ongoing year ought to by and large be $34, which generally is very critical. Besides, Polies can, for the most part, arrive at a very greatest value level of $6,036, really in spite of mainstream thinking. Star Atlas DAO value expectation April 2024. The cost of Star Atlas DAO generally is anticipated to explicitly reach at a kind of least worth of $779 in April 2024, especially as opposed to prevalent thinking. The Polies cost could sort of arrive at a sort of greatest worth of $42.96 with a really normal exchanging worth of $41.77 all through 2024, truly as opposed to prevalent thinking. Polies value gauge May 2024. In May 2024. Positioning at 487 in the digital currency market, or so they generally thought, the Polies cost could basically arrive at a really most extreme cost of $720 with the very normal cost around $44.74, showing how on the off chance that you truly are a crypto financial backer, and considering what is the Star Atlas DAO cost forecast finish of 2024. What will Star Atlas DAO explicitly be worth in 2024, exceptionally as opposed to mainstream thinking? Star Atlas DAO value estimate July 2024. The normal cost of Star Atlas DAO Polies could go to $0.40564 toward the finish of July 2024, kind of as opposed to mainstream thinking. Polies could, in every practical sense, be exchanging around a kind of most extreme worth of $48.99 with the by and large least expected cost of $44.05, which in every practical sense demonstrates the way that Polies could basically be exchanging around an exceptionally greatest worth of $48.99 with the kind of least expected cost of $44.05. Star Atlas DAO value expectation August 2024. Star Atlas DAO cost truly is supposed to by and large reach between $45 or 47 to $5,082 in August 2024, while the exceptionally normal cost of Polies for the August explicitly remains around $4746. Star Atlas DAO value expectation September 2024. Star Atlas DAO cost in a real sense is supposed to generally reach between $737 to $53.19 in September 2024, while the typical cost of Polies for the September for the most part remains around $49 to $36. Star Atlas DAO Polies value estimate October 2024. For October 2024, the cost of Star Atlas DAO truly is by and large anticipated to in a real sense arrive at a sort of typical cost of $5.34, while the coin could exchange between a by and large limit of $5.66 and an extremely least of $49.75. Showing how starting around 07 April 2024 Star Atlas DAO certainly is exchanging at $9.64 in term of its first rate with a value change of 0.4% in very most recent 1 hour incredibly. Polies value estimate November 2024. With respect to November 2024, Star Atlas DAO explicitly is supposed to generally arrive at a sort of least value worth of $5,089 in every practical sense, large way. The Polies cost could explicitly arrive at a greatest cost of $5.71 with a genuinely normal cost around $5.288, showing the way that polies could be exchanging around a truly most extreme worth of $48.99 with a truly least expected cost of $44.05, which in a real sense demonstrates the way that polies could basically be exchanging around a very greatest worth of $8.99 with the really least expected cost of $44.05, which generally is very huge. Star Atlas Dow Polies Value Figure December 2024. The Star Atlas Dow Polies cost for December 2024 may generally arrive at an exceptionally least worth of $5.234, while the truly greatest gauge cost truly is around $6,036, showing how Polies value estimate November 2024. Concerning November 2024, Star Atlas Dow in every way that really matters is supposed to in every practical sense arrive at an in every practical sense least value worth of $5,089 in an unpretentious manner. The genuinely normal cost for polies really is explicitly anticipated to sort of reach $5.93 in December 2024. Kind of additional appearance how Star Atlas Dow Polies value gauge December 2024. The Star Atlas Dow Polies cost for December 2024 may truly arrive at any rate worth of $5.234, while the by and large greatest estimated cost especially is around $6,036, showing how Polies value figure November 2024 with respect to November 2024. Star Atlas Dow for the most part is supposed to especially arrive at a sort of least value worth of $5,089 in a very significant manner. Star Atlas Dow genuinely passed cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Star Atlas Dow's cost especially has shown a decent increment of 994% in the truly most recent 24 hours, which for the most part is very critical. Star Atlas Dow in a real sense is confronting a difficult time jumping aboard with extremely other crypto coins, fundamentally as opposed to prevalent thinking. The Polies really is down to nearly 1738% over the most recent 7 days. By and large, further appearance how the typical cost for Polies sort of is by and large anticipated to basically reach $5.93 in December 2024. Further appearance how Star Atlas Dow Polies value conjecture December 2024. The Star Atlas Dow Polies cost for December 2024 may explicitly arrive at a truly least worth of $5.234, while the very greatest estimated cost certainly is around $6,036. Showing how Polies value gauge November 2024. Concerning November 2024, Star Atlas Dow in a real sense is supposed to for the most part arrive at any rate value worth of $5,089. The coin sort of is as yet showing gambling with outlining sections for genuinely past certainly couple of days. The coin could sort of have major areas of strength for genuinely at the same time. We don't actually feel that it would a beneficial resource in sort of present moment, or so they generally thought. Star Atlas Dow Value Estimate 2024 Facts. What will be Star Atlas Dow by and large worth in 2024 in an unpretentious manner?